Hi, I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsport. Today we got a 2021 F-150 here. This is special for a couple reasons. This has a Whipple supercharger on it. Also, we're the only other people besides Whipple that can actually tune these vehicles. This one here is a customer of ours, a real great guy. He had a couple gripes about how the thing shifted and some other small complaints about the calibration. I think it's pretty sloppy, the transmission myself. We firmed the shifts up. It also had a speed limiter, got rid of that. So a lot of the gripes that this guy has, a lot of other customers have been emailing us over the course of the last few months and saying, hey, do we tune the Whipple superchargers? As of today, we do, and we can help improve on some of those things. This thing is killer. Whipple did an awesome job on this supercharger. This thing rocks. Let's take a look at the graph right here. It's amazing if you ask me. Over 250 horsepower gain. It's actually more than that. And about a 200 foot-pound gain towards like the 6 to 6,500 RPM. That's killer. That's really good for this truck. I don't think people can ask for much more than that. Of course they will. So we are gonna be working on a few other things in this truck. One of the things is E85. So we will be doing a next, let's just call it an upgrade to this, which will be E85, larger injectors, bigger fuel system. This thing's gonna love it. The Coyotes in particular love E85 with superchargers. This thing being 12 to 1, I don't think you can do much more with the boost. At least I wouldn't recommend it. You're just gonna run into too much trouble with this thing. But anyway, stay tuned. Super cool truck. We're super excited about it. And stay tuned for some more details. Thanks.